Namaskar students, back with you all with a new passion, with a new topic and a very interesting topic also for you all. The topic is total cost. This topic I have selected from the chapter of cost. What is the meaning of total cost? It is the total expenditure, incurred by a producer for producing a given volume of output. Total expenditure. Now you will have a doubt here. So what is the meaning of the word total expenditure? आपको एक फॉर्मूला लिख के दिखाता हूँ. Come back here. Total cost. I am writing in the short TC. TC मतलब वो नहीं जो हम TC स्कूल में बच्चों को देते हैं. TC actually called here was what? Total cost. Total cost is the sum total of TFC called as total fixed cost plus TVC called as total variable cost. So I think now you can understand. It is the sum total of what? Total fixed cost and total variable cost. To make the concept more easy, why not to go for the table and then follow it by the diagram. Let's come back here. In the first column you can see quantity I have done. Measure it in units. चलो लेते हैं. First quantity 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want 6, take 6, 7, 7, 8, 8 as you wish. But to make this concept simple, it's better you take up to 5 only. Already I have told you earlier also in my previous class that total fixed cost can never be 0. देखिए ये output 0 है. Fixed cost can never be 0. You lock again in your mind. Again, you see the total fixed cost is everywhere the same. 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. Be relaxed. How much? 10, 10, 10 and 10. Again, in the next column you can see the total variable cost in rupees. When output is 0, variable cost is always 0. देखिए, हम लेबर को क्यों पैसा देंगे? भाई काम ही नहीं हुआ तो पैसा किस बात का? अगर मैं भी काम नहीं करूं तो पैसा किस बात का? ये तो एक नेचुरल फिनोमेनन है and I think you should agree it. When the output is 0, variable cost is also 0. After that, I am taking the figure. Now you will have a doubt, sir. आप अपने मन से कैसे ले रहे हैं? मैं मन से नहीं ले रहा, मेरे को एक स्ट्रक्चर तैयार करना है. You take it according to your own choice. Okay? Total cost is the sum total of TFC plus TVC. You can see this is a TFC, this is a TVC. Now add it. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 18, 28. 20 plus 10, 34. 20 plus 10, 28. This is 28. Okay? 28 plus 10. And last, how much? 28 plus 10, 38 and then 32 plus 10 it comes, that is 42. Got it? Next, you are going to present the table in the diagram. Now again I am telling you all, you do one thing. In OX axis, measure the quantity in units and OY axis, what you are going to do? You measure the cost in rupees. Got it? Right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, so as you wish. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि आप इस फिगर को देखिए पहले टोटल कॉस्ट का. बिगिनिंग स्टार्ट होता है फ्रॉम 10, लास्ट इज हाउ मच 40. नाउ यू विल हैव अ डाउट हियर, सर कैन वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 एंड सो ऑन. सो मूव एज यू विश. You can also start 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 as you wish. No problem. Now, whether you're going to take 10 or whether you're going to take 5, but the conclusion is same. Conclusion क्या होगा? First one, what is the slope of total fixed cost? It is going to be straight away. See, like this. This is called as TFC, total fixed cost. Slope is what? It is parallel to x-axis. Second, TVC. From here, output is 0. देखिए, output 0 है. यहाँ ध्यान से देखना 0. So I am going to start from here. T, V, and C. Total variable cost. Okay? Again, total cost. बच्चों एक चीज याद रखना पड़ेगा. Total cost can never be 0. 100% lock in your mind. Question is now, you will have a doubt. Sir, how? Prove it. आउटपुट इज 0, टोटल फिक्स कॉस्ट इज नेवर 0. कम से कम देखिए 0 है तो यहाँ पे 10 है, When output is 0, TVC is 0. So when we add at the point of 0, so 10 plus 0, how much? 10. So from here, this is the point of 10. See, output is 0. The output is 0. What is the total cost? This is 10. And from here, what will happen? Again, you are going to get this one. So what I am going to draw now, I am going to show it more clearly. देखिए, this is going up, up and up, and this is what? Total cost. Now you will say, sir, can total cost be ever 0? बिल्कुल नहीं, because it includes the sum total of total fixed cost and total variable cost. So total fixed cost can never be 0. So TFC can never be 0. What is the slope here? It is parallel to what? Total variable cost. And if you ask me the slope, TVC slope is what? Inverse S shape curve. SHAPED shape curve. And what is the slope of TC? Total cost? Inverse S shape curve, and is parallel to what? And is parallel to the total variable cost. Got it? Now, I am going to show this entire table, diagram as well as the definition more clearly to all of you in this digital form. First, you look at this definition of total cost. Total cost is the what? Total expenditure incurred by a producer for producing an output, which includes the sum total of what? Total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So you can see the formula here very clearly. Total cost is called as a what? Total cost. That is called TC is equals to TFC plus TVC. Again, the same table you can see here also, which I have just now taught you with the help of the blackboard. On the left side, at the first column, quantity I have taken. How much is the quantity? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then on the second column, you can see total fixed cost I have taken, which is fixed. That is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10 at the last also. And in the third column, you can see I have taken the total variable cost. Again, I am telling you, total variable cost, again you can see the value is 0 when the output is 0. And you can see the next values are given there, 0, 10, 18, 24, 28 and last, that is called 32. At the fourth column, you can see the values are given there. Total cost is the what? Formula आपको याद होगा, TFC plus TVC. That is total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So add the value 10 plus 0, you can see 10, again 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 18, 28. Again, that is called as what? 10 plus 24, that's called 34. 10 plus 28, 38, and last not the least, that is called 32 plus 10 becomes how much? 42. Got it? Now you can see again what is the curve here, total cost curve. बहुत मजेदार चीज है. First of all, you must remember and lock in your mind that total cost curve is inverse S-shaped curve. एक number question. Again, second question which you can get. Total cost increases at what rate initially? शुरू में किस तेजी के साथ बढ़ता है, किस रेट के साथ बढ़ता है? आपको मैंने पहले बताया था, initially it will increase at diminishing rate. But as output will increase, जैसे जैसे आउटपुट बढ़ेगा, then total cost will increase at what rate? At increasing rate. Now again you can get a question. Again you will get a question. Why total cost increases at diminishing rate, oblique, or you can say decreasing rate initially and then at increasing rate? तो आंसर क्या होगा? आंसर एकदम वन लाइन का होना चाहिए. Due to the what? Due to the law of variable proportion. And now you can see the diagram also are done for your benefit. I think you will enjoy it. Okay. Thanks to all of you for watching it.